What is the role of community in game development? Community plays a vital role in modern game development, shaping everything from the design process to marketing and post-launch support. Engaged player communities offer valuable feedback, promote games organically, and contribute to ongoing improvements. This article explores how game developers harness community involvement to create better, more successful games. Early feedback through alpha and beta testing. One of the key roles communities play in game development is offering early feedback through alpha and beta testing phases. Players who participate in these tests provide insights on gameplay mechanics, bugs, and overall experience. Developers use this feedback to make necessary adjustments before the game's official release, ensuring a more polished final product. Crowdsourcing ideas and creative input. Game developers often turn to their communities for creative input. Indie developers, in particular, rely on crowdsourcing ideas from passionate fans. Platforms like Kickstarter and Patreon allow developers to involve the community in the creation process, incorporating fan suggestions for characters, levels, or even storylines. This engagement fosters a sense of ownership among players. Community-led modding and customization. Many games have thriving modding communities that create custom content, from new levels and characters to entirely new game modes. Games like Skyrim and Minecraft have benefited from modders who expand the game's lifespan through user-generated content. Developers often provide modding tools to empower these communities, enriching the overall gaming experience. Building loyalty and advocacy. An engaged community helps build loyalty and advocacy for a game. Players who feel heard and valued are more likely to promote the game to others, leaving positive reviews, sharing gameplay clips, and engaging on social media. CD Projekt Red, for example, has built a strong fanbase around games like The Witcher 3 by actively listening to and interacting with the community. Supporting post-launch updates and DLC. After a game's release, communities continue to play a vital role in shaping its evolution. Developers often rely on player feedback to fix bugs, balance gameplay, and introduce new content. No Man's Sky is an excellent example of a game that turned its initial rocky launch around by listening to the community and delivering updates that addressed fan concerns, ultimately reviving the game's popularity. Fostering a collaborative environment. Communities often provide a collaborative environment where players share tips, strategies, and tutorials. This helps less experienced players improve while also creating a support system around the game. Developers can tap into these communities to understand player behavior and preferences, further refining gameplay mechanics or introducing new features. Involvement in esports and competitive play. In competitive gaming, communities are the driving force behind esports. Games like League of Legends and Counter-Strike: Global Offensive rely on active communities that participate in tournaments and local events. Developers often collaborate with these communities to create rule sets, organize events, and balance competitive gameplay. Creating viral marketing through word of mouth. A dedicated community can be an invaluable marketing tool for developers. Players who are passionate about a game often create viral content, such as memes, fan art, or videos, that spreads across platforms like Reddit and YouTube. This kind of organic promotion can be more impactful than traditional marketing, as it's driven by genuine enthusiasm. Crowdfunding and financial support. Communities also play a financial role in game development, particularly through crowdfunding platforms. Fans can directly support projects they believe in by contributing funds during development stages. This model allows indie developers to create games without traditional publisher support, ensuring more creative freedom while maintaining a loyal following. Engaging with community-driven events. Many games host community-driven events, such as live streams, in-game challenges, or fan conventions. These events foster a strong bond between developers and players, creating memorable experiences that keep the community invested. Games like Fortnite regularly host live in-game events that engage the community on a large scale, drawing millions of players worldwide. Conclusion: community as a pillar of success. In conclusion, communities play a crucial role in the success of modern game development. From offering valuable feedback and creative input to driving post-launch support and organic marketing, engaged communities help shape games that resonate with players. Developers who prioritize community involvement often see greater player satisfaction, loyalty, and long-term success.